Dear friends, today I would like to share you the law of success, lesson 1, the mastermind, which is written by Napoleon Hill. The author's aim in preparing this course has been of a twofold nature, namely, first to help the earnest persons find out what are his or her weakness, and secondly to help create a definite plan for bridging those weaknesses. This idea is represented by the term mastermind, which has been described in great details throughout the lesson. A mastermind may be developed by friendly alliance in a spirit of harmony or purpose between two or more minds. A man's chief business in life is to succeed. The road to success may be and generally is obstructed by many influences which must be removed before the goal can be reached. One of the most detrimental of those obstacles is that of unfortunate aliens with minds which do not harmonize. In such case, the aliens must be broken, or the end is sure to be defeat and failure. Perhaps Henry Ford and Andrew Carnegie should be acknowledged as having contributed most towards the building of this course, for the reason that it was Andrew Carnegie who first suggested the writing of the course, and Henry Ford whose life work supplied much of the materials out of which the course was developed. The law of success philosophy, covering a period of over 25 years of scientific research and experimentations, mastermind means organized effort, the source of all power. Knowing nothing whatsoever of the technical end of the steel business, Carnegie so combined and grouped the main of which his mastermind was composed that he built the most successful steel industry known to the world during his lifetime. Henry Ford's gigantic success may be attested to the successful applications of this self-same principle with all the self-reliance a man could have. Ford nevertheless did not depend upon himself for the knowledge necessary in the successful development of his industries. Like Carnegie, he surrounded himself with men who supplied the knowledge which he himself did not and could not possess. Moreover, Ford picked men who could and did harmonize in group effort. As author says, your six most dangerous enemies are fear of poverty, fear of death, fear of ill health, fear of the loss of love, fear of old age, fear of criticism. Every person on earth is afraid of something. Most fears are inherited. The six basic fears which do the most damage. Your fear must be mastered before you can win in any worthwhile undertaking in life. Find out how many of the six fears are bothering you, but more important than this, determine also how to conquer these fears. Lastly, I would like to say that how the billionaire like Andrew Carnegie, Henry Ford and others distills experience, insight and advice are shaping our future. For more information and knowledge, go through the book. Hope you have liked this video. For cooperating me, you will not forget to like and subscribe the video. Thank you.